In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Dkim key in Salesforce. This process is essential for improving the security of your emails and ensuring they reach your recipients without being marked as spam. We'll go through each step in detail to make sure you have a smooth experience. To get started, we need to log into Salesforce. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. This symbol is your gateway to the setup options. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This is where you can access all the back-end options that Salesforce offers. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup area, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find on the side. Go ahead and type DKIM keys into this search bar. This will direct you to the section where you can create and manage DKIM keys, a vital step for setting up email authentication. Once you're in the DKIM keys section, click on the option that says Create New Key. This is where we start building the authorization for your domain. You'll need to enter two important pieces of information when prompted: your domain name and a selector. The domain name is usually the part of your email address after the * symbol, and the selector is a simple identifier for the DKIM key to help you manage multiple keys. After entering the domain and selector, Salesforce will do some behind-the-scenes magic to generate a set of SNAME records. These records are crucial because they tell the world that Salesforce is authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain. You'll want to keep this information handy because it's essential for the next step. Now take those SNAME records over to your DNS provider. This could be platforms like Google Domains, GoDaddy, or wherever you've registered your domain. You'll need to add the SNAME records into your DNS settings so that they point to Salesforce. The exact process might vary slightly depending on your provider, but they generally have clear instructions on how to add SNAME records. Once your DNS provider has the SNAME records in place, head back to Salesforce. In the DKIM keys page, find the key you've just created. There should be an Activate button next to it. Go on and click that button. Activating the key finalizes the process and makes sure your emails will be authenticated accurately when sent out. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Dkim key in Salesforce. This feature will help protect your communications, strengthen your domain's reputation, and ensure that your emails are received exactly as you intend. If you have any further questions or run into issues along the way, Salesforce provides detailed support documentation, or feel free to reach out to their support team for tailored assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.